Right, I'm Alan Warner. I'm a professional gardener in Buckinghamshire. I've never really concentrated on lawns, it's more general gardening. And so I wanted to learn more. And through Richard's videos, very generous videos on the website, I discovered Allett and then the Allett Lawn Academy. A client with a grade 1 listed property wants a croquet lawn, and so either we've got to improve the lawn or change the lawnmower. And we're getting there, but yeah, I've done some theory-based work at RHS Wisley, but I wanted more hands-on practical knowledge. Yeah. I booked at the same time, and just reading through, that there was obviously things that level 1 didn't cover that level 2 did, and so I thought we might as well book the 2 days at the same time. I suppose my favourite part was actually using scarifiers and aeration equipment, because I've never used those before, and if I'm honest, it seemed very daunting, and now it doesn't. Richard, a font of knowledge, and very generous if you ask questions. If he doesn't know or wants to give you more detailed answer, he'll come and see you afterwards, which he has done. So yeah, very useful. It adds on to the theory I picked up at Wisley, and just more day-to-day practical knowledge that I have now. Yeah, gardening is botany, which is science. Science changes. So would I recommend this sort of experience to everyone? Yes, whether you're a homeowner who wants to improve your lawn, a gardener that wants more specific knowledge, or particularly if you manage a cricket club or bowling green, or maybe perhaps not a golf club, because most golf clubs have professional people. But yeah, you will learn so much. Well worth the investment.